May naghahanap ba ng malaking bahay sa Bacoor pero ayaw gumastos na mahal? Ito na ang pagkakataon mo. Bank foreclosed property, kaya mas mababa ang presyo kumpara sa brand new units. Two-story single detached inner lot, located sa Bacoor City, Cavite, within a prime subdivision, malapit sa schools, malls, hospitals at transport hubs. Perfect for families na gusto ng tahimik pero accessible na location sa south. Property details: floor area 143 square meter, lot area 151.50 square meter, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 car garage. Starting bidding price, 6,271,700. Yes, foreclosed property po ito kaya mas mura compared sa market value. Sulit para sa laki ng lot area at structure. Payment terms: 10% down payment equals 627,170. 5% spot DP equals 313,585. 5% installment payable up to 4 months. Then 90% through bank home loan. Kung ipapabank loan mo po ito for 20 years at around 8% interest. Monthly amortization nasa 46,000 to 48,000 per month. Required gross income at least 155,000 per month. Important notes: as is where is condition, kaya po recommended na magpa-schedule ng free house tour para makita nyo ang actual unit. Bank fees and transfer of title not yet included. Mode of payment: PDC, manager's check, cash or bank financing. Bidding schedule, November 10, 2025 on Monday. So kung interesado ka, huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik. Once na may kasabay ka sa bidding, pwede pa yan tumaas. Kaya advantage kung makapaghanda ka early. We offer free house tour assistance and step-by-step guidance sa pag-join ng bidding process. Legit, hassle-free at handled ng PRC accredited salesperson. BDO Bank Foreclosed Property in Bacoor, Cavite, your chance to own a big family home at a lower price.